Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to turn on Vibrate when iPhone is on silent mode. So, if your iPhone is on silent mode, yet you want your iPhone to vibrate each time you have a notification like incoming call or message notification, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this, you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to make your iPhone vibrate when the iPhone is on silent mode, all you just need to do is go ahead and open your iPhone settings. On the settings page, scroll down until you get to sounds and haptics and then click on that. Once you selected sounds and haptics, locate and click on haptics under ringtone and alert. Once you click on haptics, then locate play in silent mode under haptics for ringtone and alert and then click on that. Now, once you select play in silent mode, you can now hit the back button. Now, whenever your iPhone is on silent mode, whether you use the ringer button or not, then your iPhone will vibrate on silent mode. So that's exactly how to turn on Vibrate when iPhone is on silent mode. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.